What's going on, everybody? This is the Revolution Explosion 5-box random team break number 3. We're actually featuring 1819 Revolution Hobby. Fantastic break, guys. Run the numbers. You're not going to find a better deal than right here. This is everybody in the break. We will assign your spots momentarily. Going to roll 2 dice, re-roll Snake Eyes. 3 and a 2. Gonna go 5 times. Starting at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Milwaukee Bucks on top.
I've got a peek of them.
Down to the Rockets.
Mavericks and Thunder neck and neck beside each other.
Oh yeah.
Who's taking them?
Grant got the Bucks. Thump with the Sixers. Dimitri with the Jazz. Thump with the Trailblazers. Grant with the Knicks. Raptors going to thump. Dimitri with the Heat. Thump with the T-Wolves. Joe, first break mojo. Welcome, Joe. Got the Magic. Not too bad.
Hello. There he is.
Grant with the Mavericks. James Johnson with the Thunder. Bulls, Pelicans, and the Pistons.
James.
Grant with the Warriors. Thump with the Hornets. Hayden, thanks for joining us, Hayden. Hayden, you got the Wizards. Handsome got the Kings and the Suns. Grant with the Nuggets. David with the Celtics, Grizzlies, and the Clippers. Remember, David, SGA is a Clipper in his rookie year, so the Clippers are very nice. You didn't know that, did you?
I did, but
you forgot.
I knew that, but it was not in my brain.
Shea Gilgeous Alexander is a Clipper. So
the Giggle Monster.
Thump is a net. Thump, you got the Nets. Grant, you got the Spurs. Handsome with the Cavs. Herms with the Pacers. Handsome with the Hawks. Herms with the Lakers. And Grant with the Rockets.
Grant, who is this Kingpin you're talking of? Come on. Take it easy on us, Grant. You've been breaking with Kingpin breaks.
Anybody, if anybody has any trades, I might could see oh my gosh, printer offline. Jeez, we lost internet in the shop and it destroyed everything.
Including Ian.
We're going to roll.
The local printer Ian.
We're going to roll without
printing the sheet.
Anybody have any trades? Anybody propose trades?
Propose them away.
Alright, let's get to ripping. TWC trade window closed.
Obvious Luka year last. Let's go. We can do it this way. Got our tower. Appetizer. Who got the Spurs? We didn't even celebrate.
Grant got the Spurs.
Gosh. Grant got the Spurs and the Mavs?
Spurs and the Mavericks.
Could this be Grant's night? He hadn't had one in a while. He's due.
He pulled a James Harden Galactic the other night.
He wants more. He's greedy.
Pull a Luka Galactic tonight.
Grant, there's one thing I know about Grant. He is greedy. James Harden ain't going to cut it for Grant.
See you tomorrow. I gotta go pick some food up.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
It's been a good beat. I'll see you, Paul.
See you, Horn.
Fan interference on the home run. Was it the Mariners and Rockies game?
No, when was this? Was this yesterday? With these packs being upside down, I figured let's just try speed ripping one. See what happens.
Yeah, forget about this 23-24 stuff. Forget about that Wimby guy. We gotta convey the energy of the shop into the break room tonight. The shop has been absolutely on fire today. Wembanyama, case hit, short print out of
That's the one. That card is amazing.
Court Kings. We just had the what's it called? The Heart of Darkness.
What?
Topps,
I don't know.
Topps Chrome Black.
I don't know exactly the name, but yeah.
Evan Carter.
The Darkness Parallel. There's the Big D, starting it off for the Raptors. Osser, Fractal. Pistons. Good start. There's SGA. How about the Martian himself? Or this is the alien, not the Martian. Jordan Walsh. Lex Luthor haircut.
Yeah, Rockpile and M's on Sunday. What happened, Grant? Was it you? Were you the fan interfering?
Shockwave Thompson. Back to the Pistons. There it is. Jumpman GG. For the this one's going to the Grizz. I think that was David. Memphis. David. Nice one, David. There's Scoot. Blazers on the board. How about Walker? I think Walker actually played a little bit the other day for the Pacers. /99. Cosmic.
Thump with the Trailblazers.
Indiana. That's Herms. Numbered rookie there for Herms. Nice one, Herms. How about one of the Twin Towers, Rudy Gobert. Impact.
Rudy Gobert.
People are high on Anthony Edwards. I say go ahead and buy Rudy. He's a buy low situation.
We will sanitize this card before we ship it out.
There's Keontae.
Rudy's COVID DNA is still
Thunder?
surviving 4 years
Who's
later.
rocking with Thunder? James. Good luck, James. There's a Groove Jokic.
Groove.
Just skipped over Jokic like he was no one. There's Miller. Hornets. Fractal Randall. Going to the Knicks. There's Jaime. Heat not looking so hot so far. Hopefully they turn it around. Heat. Dimitri got a good team. There's Big D on the Groove. Raptors. Bubba. Looking for some big Grady this break. All right, box one down.
So how many was the stadium full, Grant? Did those Rockpile fans show up in mass?
Is there a cloud of smoke following them there?
And did you wear your Ichiro britches to the game?
Wait, does Grant own those now?
He sleeps in them every night.
Does he possess them? How did he strangle those away from you?
I bought them for Grant.
Oh, that well. I guess if I would have known that a little bit, then that would have made sense. I think there's just not an effective way of speed ripping this product. These packs are different than any other pack out there. All right. Box 2 inbound. Good luck.
For those of you in the chat, somebody brought in some game used material from the Seattle Mariners. There's the Seattle Mariners equipment manager, and he brought in a bunch of stuff. So we got it for Grant.
LeBron.
Included in it was a pair of Ichiro's underwear. That's his compression shorts, but we'll call it his underwear.
And you guys know how small Ichiro is,
And they were tiny. I mean,
to say the
like,
least. They weren't flattering. Kobe Brown, Clippers. Johnson Groove for the Thunder. Ja Herms.
David, you could barely fit like your forearm in
There's
his whole.
Rui.
It's, I mean,
There is
fantastic player though. Not taking,
Shafino.
not taking anything away from Ichiro.
Here's Cubic. Mitchell. Cavs are looking good. Cubic Mitchell. Going. Not sure who this goes to. We'll flip it back over here in a sec. 12 of 50. Cubic. For the Cavs.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
I saw Cleveland and got confused.
Handsome with the Cavs.
Handsome Cubic. D. Mitch. Murray Bro. There's Scoot. Groove Scoot for the Blazers. Nice one, Blazers. Sasser. Strother. Nuggets. Jokic. There's Maxi on the Sunburst. It's a sweet looking card. Woo. Hit me with all those rays. 76ers.
But this thump with the
Bubba.
76ers.
Nice one, Bubba. That's a sweet one. Those are to 75. It's iced up and ice in the veins tap from Reeves. I like that picture. Randall. All right. Final 3. I think we know the order.
Who plays in basketball tonight?
Great.
Great win by the Mavericks last night. Pulling it off.
How badly do you want the Mavericks to win?
Oh, badly.
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 Same.
I hate the Clippers. I don't care who's playing for the Clippers. I hate them. James Harden, I mean, he actually,
All right, here we go.
I hate to say he's
Last
almost.
year, started off with Paolo rookie on the Shockwave. Magic.
Celtics and Heat are playing right now.
Oh, at 7, that's right.
Yeah, and then Pelicans and Thunder after that.
Jokic on the Astral.
Pelicans are a 7.5 point favorite. Herms, what kind of action you getting in on tonight? Come on, give us.
Give us the parlay hints. There's Jacoby Walter. Blazers. Randall. Simons. I don't know if I could take the take the Pelicans tonight. There's Chat Groove. Timely for the Thunder.
No basketball? Okay.
There we go, Thunder. Nice one, James.
Groove.
James. We do have the grading department open. James, let us know. Might look good.
Chip.
How about numbered Braun
Chip Wilson. If you're in the chat, your grading order is ready.
for the Nuggets?
Oh, wow, that's a beauty.
Christian Braun, impact to 149. That is a beauty.
Going to Grant.
Nice Grant.
Grant, you're making an impact in people's lives.
All right, here we go. There's Curry. And we did it. Some form of ink. Got any guesses? I got my guess. I'm going Grizzlies. Roddy. That's going to Herms. Not the best ink, but pulling ink out of Revolution is nice.
Just baseball. How do you just take baseball straight up, win, lose, or?
Loco for the Raptors. There's a lift off. Cool little die cut here. Levine for the Bulls. Fractal die cut. Zach Levine lift off. The Rodster. Yep. You got rotted, Herms. There's Paolo again. Back to the Magic.
That is Joe
Scary.
with the Magic.
There's Scary Terry on the Fractal.
Are the Magic down 2-0 now?
Mm-hmm. Here is the other Moravia for the Grizz. Beauchamp for the Bucks. 2 rookies in that pack. Guess when you get a Karl Malone auto, it's kind of hard to top that for a bit, you know?
Yeah, that was.
The mailman doesn't deliver every day. Will be
Straight up or +1
plus
and the over under. Okay.
emptiness.
Makes sense.
Back to this year, and then we're going Luka year. Never touched, never even seen this box. Never watched it on YouTube, nothing. First time experience.
Don't worry. P. John is
Coming-
a professional. Coming straight from happy hour.
We're professional.
Did stay,
Will I be analyzing and researching on the spot? Yes.
stayed at a Holiday Inn last night.
No Holiday Inn.
Might be
My
staying at one
coworker
tonight.
probably did though. Flying in from Massachusetts, they gotta
Hopefully,
greet them. You know, that's a trip. That's
hopefully
a
your
trip.
employer puts them in someplace other than a Holiday Inn. Although there is a Holiday Inn pretty close to your office.
I wouldn't put it past them. Slap them in there. Call today. Let's make a big deal tomorrow.
You gotta hang out with them tomorrow too.
No. Well, maybe we'll find out.
If you're a coworker of P. John and you're watching the stream right now,
Thanks for tuning in.
welcome to Charlotte.
It was good seeing you a little earlier.
Come for the cards, stay for P. John.
All right. Final shot at Wemby. Quit hiding, Wemby. There he is. He
Bam!
can't hide any longer.
Finally,
Got our crosshairs on him.
Grant with the Spurs.
Grant.
That's 6. That's the first Wemby in 6 boxes,
That's
right?
the first base Wemby we've seen.
That's-
Van Vliet.
Oh, that's right. We did get that insert.
For the Rockets. To 75. Sunburst there.
But Wemby's, when they've been coming today, guys, they've been coming in groups. The guy did a Court Kings box, hit 3 Wemby cards in a row. He's like, I got another one. I got another one. I got another one.
How about Sensabaugh? Someone we don't want traveling in packs. There's Colby Jones, Fractal, Kings on the board.
Got a pile of scoots. Thump.
LeBron. Here is rookie for the Nuggets. How about some Pickett? Can he pick it to 99?
Yes, you can.
Some base. Murray Bro number 2 going out to the Blazers. Giannis. Supernova Giannis. Speaking of Rudy, there's Fractal Rudy. Getting some Rudy love this break.
Pulling Rudy Friday night too.
No Ant-Man to be seen, but let's get some Rudy.
Guys, no football tonight, but we are going to have a big
Anthony Black Magic.
football for draft on Friday night. I'm putting together a big football draft break. So stay tuned for football Friday night.
Curry. There's Curry Vortex. For the Warriors. Alright. Every autograph is in Revolution is. What's their promise, Will?
On card.
On card. Says it on the box, so it's got to be true.
This might have been the last year that Revolution was all on card.
Now rookies aren't, but Karl Malone is.
Maybe 1920 was. I can't remember.
Did you see them selling up Tim Duncan?
Selling up Tim Duncan.
His first live autos in a product since like 2002 or something like that.
Oh, really?
In Crown this year.
Oh, Crown. Oh, wow.
He's going to have those silhouette cards.
Finally, Panini's doing what we said they should do. Go out and get some of these vets.
Get the Timmy B's of the
To
world.
make up for...
Make up for a terrible checklist. All right. Good luck.
I mean, Kabooms will sell the product, so...
Good luck to everyone.
All right, Grant taking down the Mets and Cubs in baseball, so...
We're taking a deep look here. Gordon Hayward. Vortex D. Mitch. Zaire Smith
Zaire Smith.
for the Sixers. B.I. Lakers version of B.I. Oh, back to back for the Sixers. Sixers. How about some Shake Milton? Spurs. Me too. Shimizi. And Buddy.
Yes, the Astro Shimizi.
Not a base Shimizi, but an Astro Shimizi. Alright.
Come on, baby.
Dylan Brooks starting this one off. Dame time on the Shockwave. How about some Kuz? Groove Kuzma. And Middleton. Alright. PG. Thunder version. Woo-hoo-hoo! The base!
Bam! There you go, Grant.
We're on the board! I've never even seen this card. Who knew this existed? Other than Will. Nice, Grant.
I've never pulled one. I didn't. Revolution was one
That's
that I didn't
sweet.
open a lot of. In
There's
18,
Fun Guy and Mike Conley into that one. Nice, Grant. Not every day you get to say you pulled a Luka rookie. Add that one to the PC. How about Lonnie Walker the fourth. CJ McCollum numbered here
Let's get something numbered now.
to 100.
Let's get a numbered SGA.
CJ, that is Trailblazers version there. There's Pau Gasol. Nice. He doesn't have base cards anymore, does he?
Paul Gasol.
I haven't seen him as a base card in a product in a while.
Probably not.
Markel Fultz.
Oh, that's the guy that trolled me.
Back when.
Oh no, this is 1819.
How about this
sorry.
guy? Ellie Akobo. Suns have never had a rookie that panned out. There's the big Gobert for the Jazz. And Simmons. Benjamin.
Oh.
CJ must have been hot back then. There's more CJ on the Vortex. There is Mitchell. What, is this numbered Mitchell? Impact, but it's not numbered. Interesting. Maybe impacts were not numbered back in the day. Cool card for the Jazz. Alright, final pack. No SGA to be seen.
Guardians, Rockies, Astros, and Blue Jays are all that's left in baseball, guys.
Pretty stingy offering compared to the more recent products, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, that's
They promise on-card autos, but they're stingy.
rookie.
Bridges, nice. He turned out good for the Suns. There's Randolph
Astro.
and Mitchell. Wrapping that one up.
All right. You got a Luka base out of it, not
We got a
terrible.
Luka rookie. Can scratch that off the list.
Just means, and this, guys, this box was from a fresh case, so we've got more. We can do it again if you guys want to do some more.
The Galactic lives on. Quick recap. Bridges base. McCullum to a Hundy. There's Luka. Nice Luka. Smith, me too. Black. Pickett on, I believe this is, yep, Cosmic to 99. Scoot. One Wemby base. Roddy for the Grizz. There's Christian Braun. Impact. Chet Groove, nice one there. Maxi. Cubic Mitchell. Jaime. Osser and Osser. Wrapping that one up. Thanks everybody for jumping in. We'll see you in about possibly a few minutes here.
Thank you, guys. We'll see you on the next one.